In this video, I'll show you how to add your name to the iPhone lock screen. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. Let's start with the first method. Open the Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen. Then, tap and hold the Focus button. When the focus profiles appear, tap on a new focus. Next, select Custom. In the window that appears, titled Name Your Focus, tap on the Name and Input field and type the name you want to display on the lock screen. After that, tap the Next button at the bottom. On the next screen, press the Customize Focus button. This will bring up the settings screen for the profile you just created. You can close it. Then, open the Control Center again. Tap and hold the Focus button, and in the Profile selection window, activate the profile you just created with your name. Your name will now appear at the bottom of the lock screen. The second method, open the App Store. Tap the Search button on the bottom bar. Then, tap on the Search Input field at the top and enter any text. Tap on the search result. We need the app called AnyText Widgets. Download and install it. Open the app and tap Get Started. Enter the name you want to display on the lock screen. Tap the Back button. Then, return to the home screen and go to the Settings app. Open the Wallpaper section. Tap Customize on the current lock screen. Add the AnyText widget to the screen and press Done to save. Your name will now be displayed on the lock screen. Thank you for watching.